So you mentioned your connection to nature and magic began in childhood. How do you think those early experiences, shape your understanding of the world and your spiritual path?
Probably the experience I had confirmed to me that there is more to the world than what we see, and that there is magic in the world. And we all create our world in our heads, and living in that world of nature and druidry is my secure space.
Yeah.
It's my safe space. It's where I belong. And I think from childhood I always knew that I belonged in nature rather than in a house.
Nature being.
Yeah, I was very much a nature being, very much. I was never taught about fairies, nature spirits, things like that, but I just knew they were there. Yeah. And I knew that I could communicate with them. But of course, as I got older, it went. But finding druidry really confirmed for me that what I experienced in childhood was for me.
Yeah, was the truth.